Question number 1. Which drug is commonly used to treat bradycardia in emergency? A. Adrenaline. B. Atropine. C. Dopamine. D. Amiodarone. Correct answer is B. Atropine. Question number 2. What is the drug of choice for ventricular fibrillation? A. Lidocaine. B. Adenosine. C. Amiodarone. D. Atropine. Correct answer is C. Amiodarone. Question number 3. Which emergency drug is used to treat anaphylactic shock? A. Dopamine. B. Epinephrine. C. Hydrocortisone. D. Salbutamol. Correct answer is epinephrine. Question number 4. Which agent is used to reverse opioid overdose? A. Atropine. B. Flumazenil. C. Naloxone. D. Naltrexone. Correct answer is C. Naloxone. Question number 5. Which of the following drugs is used in malignant hypothermia? A. Halothane. B. Succinylcholine. C. Dantrolene. D. Midazolam. Correct answer is C. Dantrolene. Question number 6. What is the first-line vasopressor in septic shock? A. Dobutamine. B. Epinephrine. C. Norepinephrine. D. Vasopressin. Correct answer is C. Norepinephrine. Question number 7. Which drug is a short-acting sedative commonly used in ICU? A. Midazolam. B. Diazepam. C. Lorazepam. D. Propofol. Correct answer is D. Propofol. Question number 8. Drug of choice for supraventricular tachycardia, SVT? A. Amiodarone. B. Adenosine. C. Lidocaine. D. Verapamil. Correct answer is B. Adenosine. Question number 9. Which drug is used in cardiac arrest to stimulate the heart? A. Epinephrine. B. Amiodarone. C. Lidocaine. D. Nitroglycerin. Correct answer is A. Epinephrine. Question number 10. Which drug reverses benzodiazepine overdose? A. Naloxone. B. Dantrolene. C. Flumazenil. D. Atropine. Correct answer is C. Flumazenil. Question number 11. Which emergency drug causes vasodilation and reduces preload? A. Dopamine. B. Nitroglycerin. C. Epinephrine. D. Dobutamine. Correct answer is B. Nitroglycerin. Question number 12. What is the primary use of sodium bicarbonate in cardiac emergencies? A. Treat acidosis. B. Reduce BP. C. Sedation. D. Treat bradycardia. Correct answer is A. Treat acidosis. Question number 13. Which of the following is a calcium channel blocker used in hypertensive emergencies? A. Labetalol. B. Esmolol. C. Nitroglycerin. D. Nicardipine. Correct answer is D. Nicardipine. Question number 14. Which of the following is a selective beta-1 agonist used in cardiogenic shock? A. Dobutamine. B. Dopamine. C. Adrenaline. D. Isoprotrenol. Correct answer is A. Dobutamine. Question number 15. Which emergency drug is used in Torsades de Pointes? A. Amiodarone. B. Magnesium sulfate. C. Epinephrine. D. Lidocaine. Correct answer is B. Magnesium sulfate. Question number 16. Which of these is a depolarizing muscle relaxant? A. Rocuronium. B. Vecuronium. C. Succinylcholine. D. Atracurium. Correct answer is C. Succinylcholine. Question number 17. Which drug is preferred in status epilepticus? A. Lorazepam. B. Midazolam. C. Phenytoin. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 18. Which vasopressor has pure alpha-adrenergic activity? A. Epinephrine. B. Norepinephrine. C. Phenylephrine. D. Dobutamine. Correct answer is C. Phenylephrine. Question number 19. Which is a non-depolarizing muscle relaxant? A. Succinylcholine. B. Atracurium. C. Dantrolene. D. Neostigmine. Correct answer is B. Atracurium. Question number 20. Which drug is used to reverse neuromuscular blockade? A. Midazolam. B. Neostigmine. C. Atropine. D. Diazepam. Correct answer is B. Neostigmine. Question number 21. Which is the most commonly used inotropes in ICU? A. Digoxin. B. Dobutamine. C. Lidocaine. D. Verapamil. Correct answer is B. Dobutamine. Question number 22. What is the role of mannitol in emergency? A. Vasodilator. B. Osmotic diuretic for raised ICP. C. Bronchodilator. D. Muscle relaxant. Correct answer is B. Osmotic diuretic for raised ICP. Question number 23. What is the indication for giving calcium gluconate in emergency? A. Hyperkalemia. B. Hypokalemia. C. Hypocalcemia. D. A and C. Correct answer is D. A and C. Question number 24. What is the use of furosemide in emergency settings? A. Sedation. B. Diuresis in pulmonary edema. C. Vasodilation. D. Anticonvulsant. Correct answer is B. Diuresis in pulmonary edema. Question number 25. Which drug is contraindicated in glaucoma during surgery? A. Succinylcholine. B. Midazolam. C. Fentanyl. D. Ketamine. Correct answer is A. Succinylcholine. Question number 26. What is the preferred drug for induction in hemodynamically unstable patient? A. Propofol. B. Thiopentone. C. Ketamine. D. Etomidate. Correct answer is D. Etomidate. Question number 27. Which is a selective beta-2 agonist used in bronchospasm? A. Salbutamol. B. Epinephrine. C. Atropine. D. Dobutamine. Correct answer is A. Salbutamol. Question number 28. Which emergency drug is used in acute adrenal crisis? A. Hydrocortisone. B. Dexamethasone. C. Prednisolone. D. Fludrocortisone. Correct answer is A. Hydrocortisone. Question number 29. What is the antidote for heparin overdose? A. Vitamin K. B. Protamine sulfate. C. FFP. D. Atropine. Correct answer is B. Protamine sulfate. Question number 30. Which drug is used to reduce intracranial pressure in head trauma? A. Mannitol. B. Adrenaline. C. Midazolam. D. Ketorolac. Correct answer is A. Mannitol.